Dear students, in this chapter Algebraic Expressions, we have learnt about basics of algebra already and first two operations, that is addition and subtraction, right? And in the last video, we have started the multiplication operation on monomial with monomial, right? So, today we will learn about how to apply this multiplication operation on other algebraic expressions. So let's get started. So as you know students, we have just discussed this thing in the last video, that is multiplication of algebraic expression can be classified as follows, like monomial with monomial, monomial with binomial, monomial with trinomial and binomial with binomial. So in the last video we had already discussed about monomial with monomial expression. So today's video is going to be about how to apply this multiplication operation on monomial with binomial as well as trinomial expression, right? But before starting our topic, we will quickly recall about the SNV rule as well as the exponent rule that we have done in the previous video. So SNV rule means SNV, that is signs, number and variables, right? So sign means any sign we can take, plus or minus. In numbers we can take any of the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 up to so on, any number we can take. And with variable we can take any of the alphabet from A to Z, right? And exponent rule, what does they say? Whenever we take the same variable or the like variable and with the different parts or the same part, the base will be same and the power will be added whenever they will get multiplied, right? So here x raised to power a multiply x raised to power b is equals to x raised to power a plus b, and here x multiply y is equals to xy. So let's get started with our today's topic, that is monomial multiplicated by binomial as well as trinomial. So here is the multiplication of monomial with binomial and trinomial expressions. So here we will take the first example. Now here you can see that the statement is multiply 5x plus 3y by 2x. Now here you can recognize it. Which type of expression is this? Yes, this is binomial expression. Why binomial? Because it contains two terms. And now which type of expression is this? This one is monomial expression. Why monomial? Because it contains only one term, right? So here we will multiply binomial by monomial expression. So here you will start your question by writing here the monomial first and binomial at the second place, right? Now here I am not putting any sign. You can put multiplication sign because we know that if between two brackets or between two variables no sign is there, that means there is a multiplication sign. So here I am taking here monomial and their binomial in one bracket, right? Now here next step is that you have to multiply this 2x with first term of this expression. As I have put the arrow here, 2x first will multiply with 5x and again 2x will multiply with plus 3y, right? So here is the solution. First of all, you will write here 2x will be multiplied with 5x plus 2x will be multiplied with 3y, right? Now here you will underline them so that you will not get confused. So here you will multiply 2 multiply 5. Now again SNV rule, remember, with 2 and 5 no sign, that means plus sign, so plus sign will be here, right? You can put or either you can't put, hardly matter. So here I am putting plus 10x squared so that you will not get confused. And next is numbers, 2 multiply 5, that is 10, and x multiply x, that is x squared, right? So now here plus sign is there again, 2 multiply 3, that is 6, and x multiply y, that is xy. So here is your answer. It's very easy, right? So next is second example. I'm taking here 6x minus 4y by minus 3y. Now again binomial will be multiplied by monomial term, right? So next here you will write here monomial first and at the second place you will write here binomial expression, and again you will put the arrows so that you will understand that you will multiply this monomial with first 6x and Secondly, you will multiply it with minus 4y. So here you will write first minus 3y multiply 6x. Now here you can see outer side, outer bracket, minus sign is there, right? You had done this concept in the junior classes in 5th as well as in 6th, that whenever outside the bracket minus sign is there, inner sign will change, right? So here minus sign is there outer and inner sign will automatically change. So here you will write plus, right? Minus will change into plus. So here you will write, next is plus 3y into 4y, right? So here you will underline it again. So now minus will remain minus because unlike sign of minus, 3 6 are 18, y into s that is yx. Plus will remain plus, 3 into 4 that is 12 and y into y that is y squared. So this is your answer for this statement. So now move to the another example. Now here is the statement 3a minus 6b by 5a square b. That means you have to multiply this binomial by again a monomial expression. So you will write monomial at the first place and to the second place you will write here binomial. Again you will put the arrows like this and you will write here 5a square b multiplied by 3a and minus sign is there outside bracket, no sign, that means plus sign, so no change. So here you will write minus 5a square b multiply 6b. So here 5 into 3 you can write here plus 15 because no sign, like sign, sign of plus, 5 into 3 that is 15, a square and a. Now here e raised to power 2, no part, that means 1 part, so here it will become e raised to power 3. Next b minus 5 into 6 that is 30, a square will remain a square and here b raised to power 1, b raised to power 1 that is b squared. Understood? Now move to another example, that is example number 4. In example number 4, there is a statement about multiply 3pq plus 4q square by minus 6p square. Again, a binomial is getting multiplied by monomial term, right? Monomial expression. So here you will write minus 6p square bracket 3pq plus 5q square. Again, you will put the arrows, right? And you will write here minus 6p square multiply 3pq. Outer sign minus, inner sign will change. So here you will write minus 6p square multiply 5q square. So here one thing you have to be careful about, that you will not put plus sign again with 5q square, because we have just solved that if outer sign is minus, inner sign will be changed. So we have put already here minus sign, change sign, right? So you will not put plus or minus sign with 5q square. So next you will solve it with the same SNV rule. So unlike sign of minus, so here 6 into 3 that is 18, p square into p that is pq, right? So here you will write pq. So minus before it you will write here p cube and q. Minus 6 into 5 that is 30, p square will remain p square, q square will remain q square. So this is the answer for this question. So now move to another question, that is example number 5. So here is a statement, multiply 5x minus 4y plus 6 by 2x. Now students, remember which type of expression is this? Yes, this is trinomial because it contains 3 terms. So here again this is a monomial with one term only. So here you will multiply trinomial by a monomial. So here you will write monomial at the first place and trinomial at the second place. So again you will put the arrows in the same way you have done with the binomial expression. So you will put arrow from 2x to 5x, from 2x to minus 4y, from 2x to 6. So this means that you have to multiply 2x with all these 3 terms of this expression. So first of all you will write here 2x multiplied by 5, right? So here you can see that 5y. So now next is minus 2x into 4y. Again here plus 2x into 6. Now here if you will multiply 2 with 5 you will get here 10x into x, that is x squared. So now here you can see again we are applying here SNV rule, and according to it when we multiply like sign, so here no sign is there, that means plus sign, so both are like signs. So whenever we multiply like sign, we will get again sign of plus. So you will put here sign of plus. Next is 2 into 5, that is 10, and x into x, that is x squared. Minus will remain minus 2 into 4, that is 8, x into y, that is xy. Plus 2 into 6, that is 12, and x will remain x. So this is the answer for this question. Now move to the another question, that is example number 6. Now again in this statement, in this question, I have taken a trinomial multiplied by a monomial. So here you will write the monomial at the first place and the trinomial to the second place. So you will again put the arrows on each of the term given in this expression. So here you will write minus 4y multiplied by 2xy. Outer sign minus, inner sign will change. So here you will write 4y multiplied by 4y. Again outer sign minus, inner sign will be changed. So here you will put plus sign because minus will change into plus. So 4y multiplied by 3z, right? So here minus into plus, that is unlike sign, sign of minus. 4 into 2, that is 8, and x is alone, so you will write here x, and y into y, that is y squared. Minus 4 into 4, that is 16, y into y squared, plus 4 into 3, that is 12, and y into z, that is yz, right? So this is the solution for this question. So now move to the last example. So here multiply again a trinomial by a monomial expression. So now here you can see that in this trinomial expression I have taken 5x squared minus 4x minus 8 by minus 3x squared, x cubed, right? So here you will write the monomial at the first place and trinomial to the second place. Now here what you will do, our first step is to put the arrows. So here you will put arrows like this, right? So we have just put the arrows here. So now we will write minus 3x cubed multiplied by 5x squared. Outer sign minus, inner sign will be changed. So you will write here plus 3x cubed multiplied by 4x. Again outer sign minus, inner sign will change. So here you will write plus. Alright. So here you will write plus 3x cubed. So plus 3x cubed multiplied by 8, right? So you will underline all these three. So now next is you have to apply SNV rule. According to this, minus will multiply with plus. It will be unlike sign, sign of minus. 3 into 5, that is 15. X raised to power 3 multiply x raised to power 2, that is x raised to power 5, because bases are same, power will be added. So here plus will remain plus. 3 into 4, that is 12. X raised to power 3 and x raised to power 1, no part, that means 1. So here you will have x raised to power 4 with the same rule, that is bases will be same, their power will be added. Plus will remain plus. 3 into 8, that is 24, and x cube is alone here, no variable with it. So you will write here x cube, right? So students, these were very easy examples whenever you are multiplying monomial with binomial as well as trinomial expression. So now I hope all of you are able to do the related homework that we have already sent you in your SNAP homework. But students, please, before starting your homework, must go through the YouTube links, because all these links are very helpful for you for solving these type of sums and understanding these type of sum in a better way. Thank you.